Alright, what's up? Hello, I'm Lane Tornado, also known as Cobra Kid Phone on my other social media platforms. And oh my god, the stupid car is so annoying. Whatever. I really don't have much time left. I've bought this today. I'm a little tired. God damn it. But yeah, we're doing more Pokemon cards. Yay. Yep, we're doing more Pokemon cards. I actually bought this today. While I was walking around the shops. Um, so I have bought a HoopaV box. Um, yeah. So and I was like, oh, why not? I mean, I haven't done one of these in a while, and I've been recently a lot of Minecraft only. So why not? I literally don't see why not. Make a Pokemon. Sorry about the finger. I had to get rid of something. Um, So I apologize if this is really not the best, and if I miss some of the screens because I can't really see the screen, like the recording, how it's going, since it's not the big monitor, well, the iPad I use usually when I record this, because I was dumb enough to actually forget to charge my iPad. Yeah, I forgot to charge it, and the result, I have to use my phone now. But I want to get this done ASAP before I forget and I just open it myself. So, yeah, that was. I've talked about a lot of stuff already. Let me just. Alright, yeah, that should be better. Uh. So, I've bought this, and I bought some packs of Chillin' Region. Yes, I have bought some Chillin' Region. I'm gonna be sleeving this stuff up later, so I'm gonna be careful. Need to be very careful. So, I'm gonna just open the box first. Behind the camera. I am a bit tired, actually. I just finished a Minecraft stream, which, yeah, did not go the best. No, well, no, it actually kind of did go smoothly, I assume, because, it wasn't all according to plan. I got some surprises, but I got very tired after finishing it. So, yeah, I ended up just, yeah, I had to, like, stop, and I had to do something else. And by something else, I mean by doing this, apparently. After I thought of it, like, for a while. Let's just take it out of the box. Alright. The box right here, I'm just... Oh, God. That actually hit my phone. Ouch. Even though it didn't hit me. Right. So... Oh, God, my forearm. Yikes. I'm sorry. Right. I really could not see it, so... Right here. Um... The Hoopa box. The HoopaV. I don't know why I forgot how to open this. Apparently, it's like snow cones. Like the cones for the, like, ice cream. It's like, I don't know why I think it's like that. Alright, let's take that out. And once again, the promo does not count. Oh, it actually does not have a... Oh, wow. Alright. Okay, so this time it actually did not have the code card for the promo, as you can see. So, like, yeah. Alright, one more that over there. This is the card. The HoopaV. I'll be sleeving that up after I finish this video. I actually cannot see the top myself on the screen. Hope that's in. I really have to hope it's in. I assume it is, I guess. This may be a very, very bad idea. I'm gonna just rearrange this. Nope, I cannot. Alright, whatever. Yeah, I cannot. I literally have no way of, like, if I put it on, like, where I can see it, it's gonna fall, my phone's gonna fall off very easily, and that's just gonna be very annoying. I'm gonna put that there. The, jumbo card, you guys can really not see this fully. Let me just pull this up. Yep, this is the jumbo card. Which is basically the same, but just with a lot more detail. Like, you can see it more detailed, I guess. And it's very shiny. Is jumbo cards actually, like, a lot more smaller than I thought they would be? Comparing to, what I expected when I see people doing this, like opening Pokemon cards. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. Alright. So, well, as usual, I think I did that. I actually don't remember. I think I did not give out the code card for the box, because it is a, you already get that. But as usual, if I get a ultra rare, god, right, that fell. Whatever. If I get a V, well, I'm not gonna get a G. I don't think I have any chance of getting a GX, so it's all V's. If I get V, I'll be, or like anything like that, I'll be giving out that code card. So let's start. I'm gonna be putting that there. We got 2 fusion strikes. We got 1 evolving skies and a vivid voltage, apparently. I don't know if you guys saw the evolving skies. Oh god, right. Alright, I'll make sure my... Let's start with the evolving skies, actually. I'm actually more curious about this one. I don't know why. Alright, that popped open. Taking away the code card. I'm putting that there. The packaging. Oh, wow. Wrappers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So, alright, let's start. Slack off. Gossifleur. Love Disc, Fletching, Chinchou. Why does I still think of, like, the word, like, the name Chinchou just reminds me of something. I just don't know what. What? Water Energy, Golduck, Rubber Gloves, Copycat. Reverse Hollow, Woobat. Oh, bruh. The first pack, alright. I am not gonna complain. I have nothing to complain. Rayquaza V on the first pack. Alright. Yeah. I'm gonna be putting that aside. And, alright, that code card's right here. If you guys are interested, this is the code card. Right. So, next, I'm gonna do 1 Fusion Strike. And more stuff fell on the ground, apparently. I'll pick that up later. I just really hope that I don't scare anyone. I don't know if you guys heard that, though. I don't think so, but you might also have heard that. I really don't know. Alright. Pop it open. Pop it open. Wrapper. Taking away the code card again. Put that aside first. Wrapper goes there. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Okay, let's start. Alright, there. Muna, Meowth. Alright, Marill. Marill? I actually don't know how to pronounce that. Wow. Marill. Or is it Marill? I think it's Marill, like Mary. Yeah, Marill. Hell, oh god, I have so many things I cannot pronounce today after the freaking stream. Great. Helioptile. Wooloo. I can already see the back, actually. I don't know if I can see it, but I can already see the back. Energy. Lapras. Schoolboy, which is kind of what I am. Chili, Silan, and Cress. Reverse Hollow Meowth. 2 Meowths in this pack, I think. What is happening? What is happening? And Rainbow... Well, yeah. Rainbow Dancer. Okay. I am actually not complaining. Rainbow Dancer. Nice. Oh yes, Rainbow Full Art Trainer cards. I actually do really love the Full Art Trainer cards. Put that aside as well with the others. I'm gonna put that here actually. Next, let's do Vivid Voltage. Vivid. I don't know how to talk. Great. Vivid Voltage. Next. Let's open that up. Oh, that one popped up, open so easily. Oh yeah, right. Almost forgot. Go to work for that one. Alright. Put that aside. That just fell on the ground. Put that code card aside. 4, 1, 2. Wait. Yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2. Sandile. Riolu. I really want to have a I don't know, I just want Lucario's. Ferroseed. Wait, is it Pharaoh? Yeah, I think it's Ferroseed. Duskull. Oshawott. I still think Oshawott is like from Wash. I don't know why. Grass Energy. Charmeleon. Electric. Dusclops. Ooh, Reverse Hollow Riolu. And a Galarian Persian. Berserker. Why do I keep wanting to call it a Persian? Probably because it's like from Meowth as well. But it's like the Galarian. Alright, last pack of the box. Last Fusion Strike. And then we'll move over to the chilling region. Right? I don't think you guys can see it. Oh wait, no, you guys can, I think. Right there. Oh, that opens really smooth. Alright. Code card. Put that there. Alright. 4, 1, 2. Oh, I've gone a little too far. Eevee. Shelter. Voltorb. Pansage. I don't know why I need to think of how to actually say that name. Cuffant. Psychic Energy. Croconut. Coconut. Why did I think of coconuts? I don't know. Why? LSS Sparkle. Beware. Reverse Hollow Tynamo. Tynamo. And a Galarian Cursola. Ooh. Oh, I actually just realized why it's called Cursola. I actually don't know why I just realized that. Well, we got 2 good things, so I can't really complain. No, not gonna lie, I literally can't complain. Next pack. Let's move to the chilling regions. Alright, so let's open that. Oh, give me a sec, guys. Alright. Chilling region. Why is that one so hard to open? Right. I'm using away the code card first. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Oh, did I mess up the order? Fire energy? Alright, whatever. Melanie. Cybold. Oh no, it's a little too... Cybold. Drizzle. Drizzile. Why does it call it drizzle instead of drizzle? Cast form. Another cast form, but sunny. Aw. Galarian Yamask. Swirlix. Spheal. Reverse Hollow Raboot. And a Blissey V. I am really not complaining. I'm genuinely not. So, boop. Alright, let's put that aside. Next pack. 3 more packs left. And I just shook the whole camera. Or like my phone, I guess. I'm going to be opening that. Putting that aside. I'm going to be taking on the code card put there. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Alright, let's go. Shuppet. Rockruff. Hatena. Spheal again. Cast form. Sunny form. Fire energy. Yeah, like, why did the fire energy go on the first one for the last pack? I'm confused. Whatever. Fwacky. Wacky. Avery. Oops. Scroll of Scroll of Piercing. That looks like ninja stuff. I don't know why. Reverse Hollow Ghastly and a Hollow Rare Zarude. Nice. Why did I saw that as prank call? I actually don't know why. It's like pack call, but I read it as prank call. I don't know why. Alright, last 2 packs. Oh, by the way, if you guys are new to the channel, I do gaming and I do some other stuff like this once in a while, I guess. Whenever I feel like it. Alright, I'm taking the code card, put it right there. I hope you guys enjoy. Please subscribe if you're new, because I really need some subscribers. Please. And like the video to let more people watch it, and more people to enjoy. Alright, let's keep going. Snorunt, Aron, Scorbunny, Groovy. Oh wait, it's Grookey, not Groovy. Crap Brawler, Fighting Energy, Celio, Brawly, Fog Crystal. Ooh. Lucky Energy. Is this a lucky pack then? Okay. Right. Secret Rare. Alright, and that was actually Reverse Hollow. I did not realize. Well, this was lucky then. Secret Rare. Fan of Waves. Damn. I'm putting that right there. Code card. Last and final pack. Can we have something that can actually top that? I'm thinking. Is there a way to top it? I literally have no idea if we can. And somehow I decide to like rip the top part. I'm putting the code card over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Alright. Let's go. Snorunt again. Galarian Yamask. Coughing. Which we don't want to happen now. Galarian Slowpoke, which I still think... Like, I saw this as a meme on Instagram once. The Galarian Slowpoke just... Like, the Slowpoke just got someone to, like, paint yellow on its head. And it became a Galarian Slowpoke. I love that meme so much. Deerling. Psychic Energy. Sorry. Curlia. Crushing Gloves. Ooh, is there a way to actually crush this whole thing? I literally don't know what can top it. I'm literally thinking. Rugged helmet. That does not seem rugged. That seems horned. Or does that actually also mean rugged? I actually don't know. Reverse hollow deerling. Last card. Last card. Welp. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh no. Shadow Rider Calyrex VMAX. That actually topped it. And funny thing, that one pack was also the Shadow Rider one. Like, look at it. What are the chances of this happening? I literally want to know. What are the chances? Can someone, like, in the comments just, like, type it out? This topped it. This really did. Wow. Oh my god. Right. So, I'll be sleeving those up. I'll be putting the other cards. Oh yeah, the last code card. Almost forgot. This has been a very, very lucky one. Like, luck is just luck. How many do we get? Two, not including the Hoopa. We had 8 packs in total. We got 5 ultra rares, or even rarer. Not counting the Hoopa. Wow. That was actually some insane luck. I'm honestly surprised. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please subscribe and, well, leave a like and also share it with your friends if they also like Pokemon. And I'll see you guys next time in my next recording or stream or whatever. Probably even, I don't know. Whatever it is, I've been Line Tornado and also Cobra Kid Fung. Hope you guys enjoyed, and goodbye.